as we said at the beginning, we still need to fight with COVID-19. So in the next, we will introduce a medical-grade 10-liter oxygen concentrator that everyone can use.
Yes, this model. This is a portable, small oxygen concentrator. The principle of the oxygen concentrator is pressure switch absorption, and it separates the oxygen from the nitrogen and other gases in the air. And then, after being powered on and under the normal pressure and temperature, the oxygen from 19 to 96% concentration can be continuously separated from the air.
And this model is for medical use, is applicable to various hospital, household ward and medical unit of remote area of which the oxygen is difficult to supply. What's more, it can also be used to assist the treatment of pulmonary heart disease, obstructive lung disease, etc.
And this time, our oxygen concentrator can alleviate the patient's hypoxia. This oxygen concentrator is composed of the oxygen generator host and flow indicator here, and warning system inside to prevent the accident happened.
And for the panel, there are 3 lights here. This one is the power indicator light, and this one is the alarming light, and this one is the oxygen concentration alarm light. And here is the display. The display will show the total runtime and the current runtime. And there are 4 keys in the panel also.
And for this oxygen concentrator, it has the power failure alarm and overheat alarms. Like this, so when it's not connected with the power, if we open the power cable, just like B. In case the power failure and overheats, the machine will automatically alarm to remind the users to check the machine in time. These 2 alarms ensure the safety of our operation process and ensure the long service life of the machine.
And you can press this button to cancel the alarm when it's alarming, and operation is very easy. In addition, we also have optional alarms such as lower purity alarm and high and low pressure alarms. This additional alarm can ensure the accuracy of oxygen output.
That's right, and during the operations of the machines, the noise is very low and the sound will be lower than 50 dB. We just talked about the noise of our machines very low, even lower than 50 dB during the work, so it can provide a quiet and a comfortable environment for our users, so that the users can have a better rest in the process of oxygen inhalations.
Wow, that's so great, but I think our friends would like to know if the sound is really low during the operation. What about we turn on the machine to prove it to our friends?
Yes, no problem, let's turn on our machine. First, we need connect with the power. And what we should do, after we connect with the power?
Yes, we connect the natural catheter to the gas outlet connector of the oxygen concentrator. Let me show you. Or if used to the bubble humidifier outlet connector with the oxygen concentrator turned on, we turn on the machine and we adjust the flow meter to the desired flow rate. Gas should be floating freely to the nasal cannulas.
And then you should be able to hear or feel the flow of gas to front of nasal cannula. Wave your hands in front of the front. If you not feel the gas flowing, please check cannula connectors or for leaks. Now our machine is working.
We can see the oxygen is outflowing.
We can adjust the flow from the flow meter. You can see the paper is waving.
Yes.
That means the oxygen is coming out from the machine.
And the operation is very simple. After watching our presentation, I believe that our smart customers have know how to operate it. Okay, now let's check if our customers order our 10-liter oxygen concentrator, what accessory will be sent to customers together.
Yes.
Okay, here is our standard accessory. First, we will have 2 nasal pipe, and we have 1 dust filter, and have 1 HEPA filter, and 1 humidifier bottle, and
Power cable.
power line, and the user manual in English.
Yeah, that's right. And for the optional functions, we will have the lower purity alarms, the high and low purity alarms, pressure alarms, and nebulizers, and SpO2 sensor, and remote controlled. The standard configuration can already meet the daily needs of many patients. If you are interested in the optional configuration, please don't forget to send us an inquiry for more information.